Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I am so excited for this video, even though it's going to be quite different from my channel. I never talk about clothes or anything like that, but I love fall, I love sweaters, I love the fall tones, so I thought it'd be fun to go ahead and do like a fall haul of some sweaters and some accessories that I've gotten recently that were all fall inspired. I just personally love watching these kind of videos, so that's why I decided to do it. So let's just go ahead and jump right on in. I've got some things from Target, TJ Maxx, Zara, Ross, so it's kind of a little bit all over the place, but we can just start off with the sweater that I'm wearing right now. I got this at TJ Maxx and it says that it's originally from American Eagle, and I almost didn't buy this because it is a super oversized sweater, and whenever I shop for my size, like I wear a medium, so sometimes like if a large is smaller I can fit into it, sometimes if a small is bigger I can fit into it. Like I kind of just, it goes by the item and not the size for me. So sometimes when I'm shopping, I'll go a little bit this way on the rack, I'll go a little bit that way, and just kind of see what all there is. I saw this and I thought it was super cute, but then I saw the size and I saw extra small and I'm like, ooh, like, I don't know about that, but I'm staring at it, I'm like, that's definitely gonna fit me. I'm like, but it's an extra small, but I'm like, but it's probably gonna fit me. So I kind of went back and forth in my head for a solid 2 minutes, but it does fit really, really good. And the fabric is super soft, it feels very warm, and even being an extra small, it is still quite oversized. Lots of room, so it is a very, very comfy sweater, so I'm living for it. I also love that it has like this little spot of stripes here because I'm all about like colors, and stripes and color blocking apparently right now is just my favorite thing. I'm so into it. Anything that I got from TJ Maxx and Ross I cannot link, but I will link what I can. So let's go ahead and talk about an accessory because I'm so excited about it. This is actually probably the reason why I wanted to do this haul in the first place, because I'm obsessed with this hat. So I got this hat from Target and it is so cute. It's like, you know, a typical fall hat, fedora, but it's mustard yellow, and I don't own a single hat except for this hat. Like, I'm not a hat person, but I saw this actually on Peace and Sorority's YouTube channel. She does ASMR. I love ASMR. And she did a fall haul and she mentioned this, and literally I went right from her video to Target.com and purchased it because it is just so cute. It has a little bow here and it is adjustable. It's $20. So I thought it was pretty affordable. It is 100% wool, but I just think it is so cute. Like, I am living. Is this not everything? Like my current favorite fall purchase. I just can't get over it. I want to wear it all the time. I just love mustard yellow, so I feel like that definitely helps because, like I said, not a hat person at all, but I think that this is the cutest hat. Also, Bailey Sarian once told me that yellow is my color, so I'm just gonna keep rolling with it. It's a vibe. Okay, so while we are talking about things from Target, things that I bought because of Peace and Sorority, I also purchased 2 sweaters that she talked about because, like I said, the color block, the stripes, I'm all about it. So I got this sweater from A New Day and it's super cute. It's more of a cool toned color story. I just love the purple, the gray, the periwinkle, and I believe this one was $25. Again, it is super, super soft and comfortable, which is definitely what I look for. This one is also very oversized, which I already had a warning about because I saw it in that other haul. So I went ahead and grabbed it in the shade. It's clothes, not makeup. I grabbed it in the size small, but it is still quite large on me. Especially because I have a smaller waist. I don't really find myself to be like that curvy, I don't think, but my waist is small, so there's a ton of extra fabric in that area. So honestly, I'm not sure. I feel like it's kind of cute in like its oversized way, but at the same time I kind of want to return it and get an extra small and have it fit a little bit better, but then maybe it also might shrink when I wash it, so I don't know. I probably won't return it because I just am too lazy for that, and it'll be fine. But it does feel really, really nice quality, very, very soft. And then I also got that same exact sweater in another shade because they had 2 different options for that kind of pattern. They have the same sweater in like plain, like one color, but who wants that? Not me. So I grabbed this one as well, which is more warm tones, and then it has a pop of olive at the bottom, which I love. Such a fun fall color story. I guess the other one is a little bit more winter to me, but either way, I think that they're super cute. and I just love the idea of being able to match my makeup to sweaters like this and just go olive or peach, and it just like pop and like coordinate without being super monochromatic. So I think that one is super fun as well. Okay, so I got a little bit of a like statement sweater from Zara, and honestly I don't buy from Zara that often, but I did get a sweater from them last year that I love so much. It was like $50, which, you know, I try not to spend that much on like one single piece of clothing, but if it feels really high quality, it's more worth it to me. And that other sweater that I have is like the best quality. I love it so, so much. I've worn it so many times. So I was on Zara's website just looking at their sweaters, and I saw this one, and it's a little bit more out there for me, but I thought I would just go ahead and give it a chance. Here is what the sweater looks like. So the reason why this is out there, I mean, I love the colors. Like, I think it's super cute. It's like a little rainbow and the stripes and everything. Like, I'm all about that. But it actually has like the little sleeves right here are kind of like bowed up, and they just go along with a lot of the trends that I've seen recently with the more fluffy sleeves, except it's in a sweater, which I think is quite unique. And then it's also a little bit of a like crop, which, to be fair, I no longer live in the north, so having a crop sweater now is a lot more doable because, you know, it's not going to be as cold this winter for me, which I appreciate a lot. But also I just don't wear crop things that often. I feel like overall my style is more on the modest side, but I think it can be kind of fun, and like I kind of want to get out of my comfort zone just a little bit. So I thought it would be a cute little moment. Oh, and I got this one in the size medium, and it fits perfectly. Zara's mediums are pretty true to size in my opinion, just from what I've tried so far. And then this next sweater here I got from, I want to say Ross, and I don't have the tag on there anymore, but it's from Full Circle Trends. It's a size medium, and again, this is another like kind of more cropped moment, but it has like the little zigzag, which I think is really, really fun. And, you know, I love yellow, I love the color blocks, so I thought that this was super cute. I don't love sweaters as much when they have like the little details like that, do you see, you know, because then you absolutely have to wear like an extra tank top underneath, or at least I do for me personally, not saying anyone else has to wear a tank top, but I prefer to wear a tank top if it has like those little holes. So I like this. I think it's cute. I think it's a fun little moment, and again, that was super affordable. I think I paid less than $15 for it. Okay, so next I have a shirt that is from Zara, but I actually got this at TJ Maxx, and I think this was only $7. Yeah, it's literally only $7.99, although it says comparable to $10. So here's what it looks like, and it's literally just such a plain shirt, like just in design, but I thought it was kind of cute with like the grungy, like pukey yellowy shade, and it was kind of giving me 70s vibes, but I just thought it kind of went with my fall color story, so I went ahead and grabbed it. This one is a size small, so it's a little bit more form-fitting, but I really, really like it. Okay, next I have a sweater that is originally from Zara, but I got it through ThredUp, and it's actually quite interesting. I've gotten a lot of things through ThredUp. I really, really like it overall. It's a really fun site, and it's like going thrift shopping, but online and more expensive than actual thrift shopping. But I have a few of my favorite brands and my sizes set up to where I get sent it in an email when they have new things come in, and then I'll just every once in a while just, you know, run through the emails and just see if there's anything cute. So I saw this sweater and it caught my attention because it just looked so fluffy and I really liked the colors. I personally have my ThredUp thing set to only new with tag or like new, like you can't tell that it's been used, and this was posted as like new. I think I paid $18 for it, and that was a lie, such a lie. There's so many pulls on the entire thing, like it is very, very heavily worn down. I know that you can buy like that little machine that takes the pulls out of sweaters, so maybe I'll do that because I do really, really like the colors. It's very warm, very comfy, very fluffy. So it's cute, but that's probably the first time I've had that experience with ThredUp where it wasn't as it was described, so maybe I should send them an email. I haven't decided yet, but this is the size medium, and I just thought the pops of red, gray, blue, white, and pink was pretty fun. Okay, so lastly, I have a purse that I thought I'd go ahead and share with y'all because I thought it was so cute and I found this on a really great deal. So this is a purse from Coach and here's what it looks like. It's one of their color block purses. I kept getting Instagram ads for this and I just could not resist. Well, I did resist for a while, like a few weeks. I've been doing a lot of working and a lot of saving, so I thought I would go ahead and treat myself with a purse that I really liked. This is probably the most expensive purse I've ever bought, and I know that people really don't see Coach as like that luxurious of a brand. I didn't even buy it because it's Coach. I just really like the colors. I really love unique purses. You guys could see my purse collection. It is very interesting in my opinion. I just love different colors and patterns and stuff like that, but here's what it looks like. So it says that it like retails or the comparable value is like $350, which is crazy to me. I got it on the outlet store and I think I paid $160. They had like an extra 15% off, but it is really cute and it's all color blocked. So the front is yellow and then this shade right here, it looks a little black on camera, but it's actually like a deep kind of midnight blue. And then on the side, there's a mauve and a pale pink. And then the back is white and I just love it. I feel like you could use it for so many seasons. It is a little bit of a smaller purse, but it actually holds a ton. The chain is really high quality. So there's what the inside looks like. There's a bunch of pockets to hold everything, but I just think that this goes so well with the kind of clothes that I have. I feel like I can coordinate it with so many different things, especially being color blocked. So I'm excited to use this for the rest of fall and obviously a long time after that as well. They had another one that was really cute. It was like different shades of pink and it was a saddle bag, which was, I like that one a lot as well, but I like this one the most. I saw myself using this a lot. So I'm really happy with it. Okay, so that was pretty much everything for today's video. Please let me know if you liked it or not, if I should do more videos like this every once in a while, not too often because I don't buy clothes that often, but I had a lot of fun doing this one. So I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.